Hello viewers, in this video I have designed and prepared a semi-automatic cotton spinning machine called E-Tareng. The process of cotton spinning in Manipuri tradition is done with the help of one implement called Tareng, spinning wheel. It is an implement which is made of bamboo and wood and has a hexagonal shape. The traditional way of cotton spinning using Tareng, spinning wheel, requires a lot of effort and time. To save this time and effort, I have designed this semi-automatic spinning machine inspired from the traditional Tareng, which will be more effective and industrious. Most of the machine parts are designed and 3D printed in my homemade 3D printer. This machine is currently in the trial stage now. After successful trial, this machine will be ready to roll out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, make sure to subscribe for more 3D printing content, and kindly share it to your friends and family.